This video offers a step-by-step guide on how to use the tools available in Catapult Report Card to enter grades and create report cards. This video assumes that you'll be using the software from the teacher's point of view and will cover how to enter grades both by student and by standard. Catapult Report Card is a browser-based software, so you'll be able to access it from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. To log into the software, type in demo.catapultreportcard.com into the location bar of your web browser. You'll be coming back here each term, so you may want to bookmark the login page. If you forget the address, you can also find it on the login page on our company website, www.catapultreportcard.com. Once you log in using your email address and password, you'll see a list of your classes. If you only have one class, you'll bypass this screen and go directly into that class. Select View Class or click on the class name and it will load up the class's information so that you can begin. From the class screen, you'll see a list of the students that are in the class. You can select Enter Grades to enter grades for that student, or you can use the tabs along the top of the page to enter grades by standard or view the finished report cards using the Print tab. Clicking on Enter Grade button located on the right of the student's name will bring up all of the available grading standards for that student. The panel in the upper left displays the student's name, ID, and class name and term that the student is enrolled in. The field coloring key provides a quick explanation of what each of the colors mean. And the grading key displays a description for each value of the available input types that are currently being used. Each of the values for the current term are able to be changed from the input that lines up with the relevant standard. The initial values for each score will be set to the score that was received in the previous term. Values that have been copied from a previous term are listed in yellow, while values that have not yet been inserted are listed in red. The default for fields that have been entered is green. Once the current term is closed, the values that have been inputted for each standard will remain, but they will not be available for editing. Once you've inputted all the available grades, you can hit Save to view the class screen, Save and Next to move to the next student, or Cancel to remove the values that you just added. To enter grades by standard, hit the By Standard tab at the top of the screen, and it will bring up a list of the standards that are available for all of your students. As when grading by student, the standards will be pre-populated with the values that were received in the previous term. These values will display in yellow until the first time they are saved. While grading by standard, you have the option to set all to one value. If the fields already had values in them, then the Set All option will overwrite whatever was in them with the new value. As when grading by student, hitting Save will return you to the previous screen, while hitting Save and Next will open the next item on the list, and Cancel will remove the values that you've just added. At any point, you can view the finished report card for each student by clicking on the Print tab at the top of the screen. The report card will display in page or offer a link to download the file. If you want to generate all of the report cards at once, you can toggle on multiple students at the same time by clicking on the checkbox to the left of each student's name. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoy using Catapult Report Card. If you need additional information or would like to provide feedback on the software, please use the Contact Us area of our website.